If you're wondering where to hang out this evening in Dehradun, you need to see this place. Welcome to Underdogg. Located right on Rajpur Road, barely 3 kilometers from Ghantaghar, this spot is the perfect mix of great food, fresh brews, and a full bowling alley. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. We are a bit early in the evening on a weekday, so have the place virtually to ourselves. Come, let's have a tour first. After this quick tour, we started our culinary experience with beer tasting. Of the four variants of tap beer, I preferred pale ale, but it is individual choice. I somehow never developed a taste for wheat beers. We're showing here the bar menu. You may pause the video to go through it and get an idea of the rates. For starters, we asked for onion rings first. The time taken to serve was around 20 minutes. The presentation was quite good, and these were served with two different dips. We later ordered pizza and pasta among other items. The preparation was uniformly decent. We would give 3.5 out of 5 stars to food and service. After having our fill, we moved to bowling alley. The charges were quite nominal when compared to those at NCR. Shall be trying my hand at bowling after ages. Let's see how it goes.
ऊपर आएगा लिखा हुआ। Champion.
Bowling champion.
And after this very enjoyable half an hour, these were the final scores. And now for our rating of the place. We would give 5 stars for location, 3.5 for food, 4 each for ambience and facilities, and 4.5 for service. Overall, we would rate it as 4 out of 5 stars. Honestly, we enjoyed the evening. Whether you're here to dominate the bowling alley or just kick back with some good food, Underdog delivers. Have you visited this spot yet? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, keep exploring, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks.